Hey, so if you want a powerful and free tool for screenshots and screen recording, yeah, ShareX is one of the best options out there. In this guide, I'll walk you through step by step how to use ShareX, from basic screenshots to advanced features. First, download and install ShareX from its official website. Once installed, open the app to access all its features. When you open ShareX, you'll see the main dashboard with options like capture, upload, and tools. This is your control center. Now let's take a screenshot. Click capture and choose a method like full screen, window, or region. Then select the area you want to capture. For faster workflow, use keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing print screen can instantly capture your screen. After capturing, you can edit your screenshot, add arrows, text, or highlights using the built-in editor. ShareX can automatically upload your screenshots to platforms like Imgur and give you a shareable link. You can also record your screen, choose screen recording or screen recording GIF to capture videos or short animations. And finally, explore the settings to customize hotkeys, file naming, and upload destinations to match your workflow. So yeah, that's how to use ShareX step by step. Once you get used to it, it becomes an incredibly powerful tool for screenshots and screen recording. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Or, hey, so